All right. So my name is just face the sign, face the camera, face the okay. So my name is Precious, Never Precious. If I'm a full stack software software development candidate of Techtutors, and I finished with the last session. And I'm here to present my final projects. And my stack is Python and Django. And I'm here to present my final project. My final project is a location-based real estate project, as we can see on the screen. A location-based real estate project. And it is centered in the UK. It is teamed in the UK. And the reason it is teamed in the UK is because of the access. The UK has easier access to the map features, the geolocation, and the areas and the boroughs, and more of that would be clear as I start the demonstration. And the main goal of the real estate project, or the main aim of the real estate projects, is first of all to help people get good projects, good rents, good offices, affordable real estate, ranging from offices, homes, apartments, inner London, outer London, everywhere. And also, like, it's precise. It's very simple. It's not like the other real estate sites where you go to, on real estate apps where there's a lot of complications. There's so many things, and because most times when you look at real estate projects, real estate apps or sites these days, there's always something not clear. You don't know where to click, you don't know where to visit or how everything is going. But that's why the project is very simple. Even a child can come here, look at real estate options, create an account. Someone that you want to add your property online, you can easily add it. You want to rent a property, you can easily rent. You want to contact the agency for communication, you can easily find the contact details, no hidden information. So yeah, and in order to keep it simple for time constraints and as also the scope of the demonstration, there are a lot of features that haven't been added to the project and would also be added if necessary in the future. But for now, it's just the basic structure that has been created. And this project was designed on the React. The front end of the project was designed with Reactjs and all Reactjs libraries. And then the back end was developed with Django, Python, Django, and the database is my sqllite database. And, without taking much time, I'll go into the project and I'll explain briefly how it works. Okay, like we can see on the screen already, the name of the project is location-based real estate project. Location-based real estate project, and it's a simple site to get your real estate. The first step recommended when you come on the app or on the site is to log in. And then when you be on the login page, if you don't have an account, you find a place to sign up and create an account. But if you're not here you don't want to create an account, some people don't like to create an account, you can always just click on the listings and you can find the listings that are already on the site and find the properties that are already listed. If you would want to, maybe on issue of data, the reason why I put it this way is in case you have poor network connections and the map doesn't display properly, you can always see the images here. And when you click on the image, it takes you to the page. It takes you to the details of the property. Now, if you go back, if you see the property here, but you can't find it on the map, you can easily click on the location icon here that is located at the top right of the card, and you see it takes you to the property. If you want details of the property, but it doesn't load on the left-hand side, you can always click on the cards here as well, and you can find the details, short details of the property. And you can always click on the details, which also takes you over to the details page, like the clicking, the same thing that happens when you click on the image back on the listings page. So as you can see, it shows you the beachside bungalow, the name of the listed property, the type of property it is. It could be a house. If you look at the map on the right side, you can find that the icons are different. There are 3 different types of icons on the map. This one, the yellow one, is for houses, when it's a house listed. The blue is for offices, and the red is for apartments. So you can easily know which type of property it is just by looking at the icons on the map. Then you see the price, $3,200 per month. You see the description, a short description, and when you click on the details page, you find more longer description, and then you can find the name of the real estate agency that has you find the name of the real estate agency. No. I made it official initially not to go there, so there's not too much, because when you click on this as well, you can then get every detail you need. Okay. Come back here. Now this is back on the home page, and then the agencies. You can always come here and see the agencies that are listed on the page. Which agency you would like to hire from, or rent an apartment or get a property from. And then you see the amount of properties that each agency has listed. This agency has 5 properties, 5 properties. Each agency has 5 properties. And the 5 properties, I just put them for the sake of the demonstration. And then for the sake of the demonstration, we are also going to create one more agency and add 5, like maybe 2 properties or 1 property just for demonstration, so we can see how it works. 5 properties. Then you come on when you click on the properties, you see the list, see the properties that each agency has. So you see the difference on the listings page. It shows you everything, but on the agencies page, you see the one specifically for this agent. And then the good thing is you can always find their contact here. And anytime you want, you can reach out to them if you're not sure what you want or what you're looking for. Because sometimes it's difficult to choose because you don't know the market. So now what I'll do, let's go to creating an account or to logging in. So you can see I already created a page, an account, already. So it's already filled in. This is for the signing in, and it just says, it covers it, but it says you're signed in successfully, and then it brings you to the home page. And now you see there's a difference here. It no longer says login, it shows the name of the user. And you can see the profile of the user and the logout button for the user. So it said, welcome Daniel, you have 5 properties. Daniel is an agent. Daniel is registered on the site like as an agent, and that is why Daniel can see his properties. Like Daniel already has 5 properties. If Daniel didn't have any properties or he wasn't an agent, it would say, Daniel, you have no properties because Daniel hasn't posted any properties, and Daniel is just a client looking for something to rent. Then this is Daniel's agency. This is the number of the agency and the description. Then Daniel can always update his agency details at any time. Can say updated, say update, and you refreshes, and then you set Harbor Homes Real Estate updated. Now, if you come back to the agency, you see it now. Harbor Homes Realty now has updated on it. So that is one other good feature. So it's easy. Everyone can easily manipulate, work on your profile on your own. You don't have to, it's not complex like it usually is, where there's a setting and then you have to go to a bio or something. It's just easy. It's open here. And then let me take out updated once again and leave it the way it was, so it looks good. And then I say update, and it says you have successfully updated your profile, and then it's back to the same thing. Then Daniel also can see his 5 properties when he clicks on the property link. If you notice, when you go over the properties, it shows. So it's also a plus for the agencies. So the reason, one good advantage or one main focus of the app, my main focus with the app is simplicity. So it's very easy. As the agency or as the client, everybody has one platform, easy to use. They are just from the user side or from the server side as the developer. I have already put the restrictions. There are certain restrictions. We'll see it as we keep going. That just shows you that, oh, you are not an agent, you are the client. And then as soon as you just